everyone, welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect french fries at home. So let's check out the recipe. To make restaurant style french fries, here I have taken 2 potatoes, wash them and peel them. So here these potatoes are peeled up. So now we'll cut it into strips for french fries. Here I have taken cold water in a bowl. Now I'll cut the potato in strips and I'll add it into the cold water. Firstly, cut the potato in half. Then divide it in 2 parts. And then cut it into nice strips. Try to cut even strips. So while you are frying it, so all the pieces of fries are frying equally. If you want, you can take out this extra edge. It's up to your choice. It just looks more even if you do it that way. So here I have got all my potatoes cut into strips. And I'll place them in the cold water for 15 minutes. When we soak potatoes in the cold water, then potatoes release its starch in the water. So when we fry it, potatoes doesn't get stick to each other and gets more crispier. It's already 15 minutes. Potatoes were in the water. Now I will rinse it with the clean water. And after that, place it on a kitchen towel. Wipe the potatoes well with kitchen towel or maybe paper towel so all the potatoes can get dry. Once they are completely dry, we can fry it. Now add the potatoes to the medium hot oil. Do not overcrowd the oil. Fry it for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. This process is called oil blanching, where we are not browning or crisping the potatoes. We just want potato to get a little softer from inside. Now take out all the potatoes from the oil and place it on a tray, our half fried french fries. Arrange it in a single layer so all the oil from the potatoes comes out on paper towel. And you can see they are nice soft now. Once all the potatoes are cooled down, fry them again in the medium hot oil until they become golden brown. It generally takes 3 to 4 minutes, but it also depends on the temperature of your oil. So just keep an eye on them, that as soon as it turns to golden brown, just take it out from the oil. And here is our nice, crispy, perfect french fries are ready. Remove on a plate lined with paper towel. Let's serve in a plate. Now sprinkle some salt. I like some sea salt also on it. I'll sprinkle some sea salt and some regular salt. Now enjoy the perfect french fries, crispy from outside and soft from inside. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Ranju's Food Fusion for more recipes. So you can make perfect french fries, crispy from outside and soft from inside at home. Please try the recipe and enjoy.